boundless adventure and endless joy with our Royal MAPS. The ultimate outdoor playground experience for kids. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail and safety, our customizable outdoor playground equipment is a masterpiece of imagination and excitement. Featuring not one, not two, but 3 exhilarating slides, introducing our outdoor playground equipment, the X&O Game Edition. Watch as children strategize, laugh, and learn as they take turns placing their X's and O's on the board, encouraging critical thinking and teamwork in an exciting outdoor environment. From soaring down thrilling slides to swinging high into the sky, from conquering challenging climbers to exploring hidden tunnels, our playground equipment is designed to engage children in active and imaginative play, fostering physical fitness, social interaction, and cognitive development. Watch as children laugh, learn, and grow together, discovering the joy of outdoor play in an environment that encourages exploration and creativity. Also boasts a soldier climber, challenging kids to ascend new heights and conquer imaginary fortresses in their quest for adventure. Introducing the ultimate challenge for young adventurers, our Cliff Climber outdoor playground equipment. Watch as children challenge themselves, building confidence and strength as they ascend the Cliff Climber's rugged terrain, all while having a blast in the great outdoors. Transform any outdoor space into an adventure zone with our Cliff Climber. Order yours today and let the climbing adventures begin. Including a thrilling tunnel slide that sends young adventurers on a journey of discovery and delight. Watch as children laugh, learn, and explore together, fostering friendships and creating lasting memories in an outdoor wonderland designed just for them. outdoor playtime to Royal Heights with the Royal MAPS. Order yours today and let the adventures begin.